What's up guys, so this is the new Meizu Note 9 that is probably the best budget device right now. It gives you everything that you want in a $200 budget device. But what really makes it special? Let's find out. The Meizu Note 9 comes with a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with a water drop style notch. The display is probably an LCD screen that has a quite thick bottom chin. There's a 19:5:9 aspect ratio, producing a screen-to-body ratio of over 89%. The interface you are looking at is flavored with Flame 7.2 operating system, which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. The device is available in 4GB or 6GB of RAM, and either 64 or 128GB of internal storage. The display is fenced in a metal frame and has a curvy finish for better grip. If you will notice closely, there's a call speaker on the top with a front camera. So as you can see, the device comes with a glass back that looks extremely attractive. It looks highly glossy, really a very polished finish. The pair of cameras at the back are not ordinary. There's a 48-megapixel camera shooter, which is a Samsung's GM1 lens. The secondary shooter is a 5-megapixel lens to capture depth effects. The camera sensors here are capable of taking extremely clear pictures, impressive. The shot taken from this device looks extremely sharper, good job by the company. There's no compromise with the headphone jack also, together with a Type-C port. The metallic frame looks extremely polished and has a quite shiny appearance. Just check out its beauty. Over the top there's a noise cancellation mic. And there's nothing else, so quite a clean finish here. The best part about this device is its processor, as it packs a Snapdragon 675 chipset with Adreno 612 GPU. In addition to that, it has a massive 4000 mAh battery that also carries support for 18-watt fast charging, so a perfect combination. So overall this phone is a great challenger to Redmi Note 7 Pro, what you think so? Really, it looks more elegant than the Note 7 Pro, let me know your opinions in comments. In case if the company will launch this phone globally, it would be a great competitor. Anyways, that's all for today's video, you can check the pricing details in description. Thanks for watching, get subscribed to our channel for more updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.